What's up, guys? Quick video on tuning your AVS2 carb from Edelbrock. I was having a little bit of a hesitation bog, and after doing a lot of reading on the different forms on these carburetors, I found that you can change out this jet right here. This is a 31, and we're going to a 33. It's kind of hard to read, but 2 steps up. I actually spoke to a Edelbrock representative at a car show. They had a trailer there, and he actually gave me this one and concurred with everybody on the forums that definitely helps out on the hesitation and bog when you kind of slam into the throttle. So super easy to change. Just pop your top off. That's what your carb's going to look like. This jet is going to be right there, and it's just going to be 2 I believe these are T20 screws, T20 Torx, and you're just going to pop that out, get you a new gasket right there, put your new gasket on there. It's kind of self-explanatory how it goes. Kind of hard to do this one-handed with my left hand. There you go. And then just put it back on, tighten everything back up, and put her back on your ride, and should have a much better experience. So if you guys got any more info on really making these carbs run right, I got a 302 small block, pretty stock other than intake and headers. But yeah, if y'all know of anything else, I also have changed the springs out in mine. That definitely made a difference. A lot of guys go with the silver spring, so you can kind of just play with yours and see what you like. But yeah, anyways, guys, hope this video helps you out. Leave a comment if y'all got any info or a question, and I'll read them all and try to answer them. So anyways, guys, thanks for checking the video out. Go check out my other videos. I got a playlist of all kinds of stuff for small block Ford. So anyways, catch you guys on the next one. Peace.